In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export email performance data from HubSpot. If you manage your email campaigns through HubSpot, being able to export data on your email performance is essential for analyzing how your campaigns are doing. It helps you make informed decisions and refine your marketing strategies for even better results. So let's walk through the steps to get those critical insights out of HubSpot and into your hands. First, head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where you can access all your account features and tools. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. Make sure you type in the correct email and password associated with your HubSpot account. If you've got your browser set up to remember these details, or if you're using a password manager, this step could be a breeze. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. Here's where the real action begins. Navigate to the marketing section. You can do this by locating and clicking on the marketing tab. This section houses all tools related to your marketing activities, including email campaigns, ad tracking, and social media insights. Once in the marketing hub, locate the email option within the tab. Clicking on email will direct you to the email dashboard showing all your email activities and statistics. This area provides a detailed overview of how each of your emails has performed, including metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and more. Now the key step lies in exporting this rich data. Look for the export emails option. It's typically situated towards the top of the email dashboard. Click on this option to begin the export process. HubSpot will usually prompt you to confirm details like file format and specific data types you wish to include. You might need to select whether you want the data in a CSV file or another format depending on what's most convenient for your analysis. After confirming your export preferences, simply hit export and HubSpot will prepare the data for you. Depending on your selection, the export may take a few moments to process. When complete, you'll receive an email with a download link, or the file will be available for download directly from your HubSpot interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to export your email performance data from HubSpot. This information is invaluable for building more effective email campaigns and understanding your audience better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful how-tos and insights.